guys, welcome to a new vlog. Right now I'm in Baler Aurora. If you saw my last vlog, then you know everything that happened, how rainy and full of adventure and everything that day was. If you didn't see that video, then I will put the link and you can watch it. Like I said in the end of that video, we decided to go home early because Pixel was a little bit sick at night. She's fine now, but we don't want to drag her through a whole day of traveling. But I'm sure that the way home is still going to be exciting, like how we stopped at many cool locations on the way here. We are going to do the same on the way home. So I started a vlog to be able to show all those things to you. And this is the view I woke up with, just a minute of walk from where we stay. While admiring the view, there's even someone selling suman, which is my all-time favorite puto ever in the Philippines. This one specifically that they sell in the Baler area. I got a free sample. Masarap. Ang konti lang Tagalog.
Ay, konti lang po. Manila po.
Nakatira ako sa Cabanatuan City. Pero taga Hungary ako.
Okay. Pasalubong po. Cabanatuan.
Isa lang. my favorite suman dito sa Baler.
Ay, balik-balik lang po dito.
Oo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Yay! I was already kinda disappointed on the way here that we didn't find this suman. We didn't see any vendor selling it, but the suman came to me just while admiring the view. I love it because it has those big rice pieces in it, and they also put some brown sugar and mungo, and that it's wrapped in these leaves. It gives it a so like fresh flavor. I just love it so much. It's the best thing ever. We are on a mission of finding coffee. We didn't sleep much at night, so I really need a cup of coffee. But it's really fun to walk around in this town while it's early morning, just to see everyone starting their day while it's not hot. I'm actually even feeling a little bit cold since it was raining all night. Approaching our source of coffee. Hello! Now you come with us. This is all I needed, just the view of the ocean, a cute puppy, some coffee. Such a good vibe here. This is the best morning coffee ever. Right, puppy? This is the view why it was worth it to sleep here. Suddenly I'm not even in a hurry to go home. We are just letting Pixel rest in the room. All these experiences, just already early morning, are making me so happy to be here that now I just really want to stay. Really, the view, the conversation with locals, the food, the coffee, is just so nice. I really enjoy the vibe of this town. This is why it's good to travel to these areas, not just to the most popular, most famous locations in the Philippines, because this place clearly has some things for tourists. There are like restaurants that is designed for tourists, and there are some advertisements for tour packages. But besides all that, the whole town and place still feels local. Like you will just see the locals waking up, opening their businesses, getting ready for the day, going to work. So I love how it doesn't feel like a whole tourist area. But besides that, the ocean is just right opposite to me, and it's beautiful. So these are the places that I love the most, where I can enjoy nature, enjoy the beautiful locations, but still experience the local life. And I wish more people, more foreigners and tourists who come here would also try some of these locations. I just noticed these plants in the front yard of our accommodation. I have no idea what are these. Someone is feeling better. Do you want to see the ocean, Pixel? leave the hostel. Good that at the end we didn't hurry home like how we originally planned at the morning. Instead we had some rest and dried some more clothes and our motorcycle helmets, and Pixel could eat and have some rest. Now she's all ready to go. We are still going to alter our original plans, but we are not going straight home, going to have some stopovers. But first we will find some water because we are completely out. So let's go and explore. We refilled our water bottles, 2 for 8 peso total. This is why we always carry these bottles with us when we travel. It's more environment friendly and also budget friendly. Instead of buying minerals in plastic for like 10-20 peso, you can get it refilled. Hello! You can get it refilled at friendly water stations like this. Thank you. We are at the hanging bridge of Baler. It's Saturday, so there's a lot of people and it's really shaky. It's really scary, it's very unstable, and some people are shaking it on purpose. I'm scared. It's better like this. I'm doing crop style. Pixel is not even scared, it's just me. Okay, on the way back it was not so scary anymore because there were not much people on it. At the end of the bridge there are even a lot of shops selling souvenirs and some snacks. I'm going to check what they have. It's really sunny, so everyone needs a sun protection. Oh, right. Thank you.
This is like a coconut, sweet coconut.
Oh, it's really good.
Do you want some?
I'm convinced.
Ang cute naman ng aso. Ako aso yan. Pagkit na yung salamin.
We got some bukayo. This is something I've never... I'm trying to vlog, but to be honest, Pixel is stealing the show. The kids are loving it, but it's really funny because they are calling her a cat. They are like, look, the cat has a glasses. But it's really funny, everyone is pointing her out. Pixel, you're famous. Loaded with pasalubong, got lots of different chips from sweet potato, banana and that coconut. So we are ready for the next stop. The cool dog who stole the show also. We stopped at a park. Here's a museum, the Museum of Baler, and the cute park around it. And they also sell a lot of these coconut snacks that I just got at the bridge. Bukayo, I remember. It's really good. Very, very sweet. This is the museum. I really like how it looks, and the surrounding area with these plants, it's so colorful. It's a really cool park in general. There's even a playground for kids and a lot of cool plants and trees. Like, look at this tree. There's even a balete tree, a small one, but still also really cool. Remember the balete tree I just showed you in the park? Well, look at this one. This is so tall and so wide that it doesn't even properly fit in the frame. This is a really old tree, over 600 years old, and one of the few oldest and biggest balete trees of the Philippines. It's really beautiful. It's really interesting how it grows. Like, this whole thing that you can literally have to walk around in a huge circle is the tree itself, but it's kind of like the roots are growing upwards, and then that part looks more like a traditional tree, but these roots are making it look so cool and unique. It's beautiful. Even a cave inside of the tree, and even a bigger one where you can actually enter the inside of the tree. There's a lot of people going in and out of the tree. We are going to go through it also, but for now we are just sitting next to it and admiring it, and also got some snacks. Even Pixar got some hot dog. She's really enjoying it. Got some sakut drink. Oh, it's really nice. So sweet. I don't really know how it's made. It's like the brown sugar water where the sagut pearls are cooked or something. Also have some quack quack. So we are just enjoying the snack time while admiring the view. The main road where we were supposed to go, but the view here is beautiful. We are going through some random inside roads and next to rice fields. This day was a really good example how the best days are often happen unexpectedly. We had even more fun than on the first day of this trip, which was supposed to be the main day of our Baler road trip. It's really the small moments that makes a perfect day. I hope you also enjoyed watching. If you did, then please subscribe and I will see you next time in my next vlog. Bye!